Now a small problem in friction. Here 8 kg block is placed on a smooth horizontal surface. A 4 kg block is placed on 8 kg. Here two forces, 8 Newton is applied on 4 kg block, 16 Newton is applied on 8 kg block. Coefficient of static friction and the kinetic friction both are same and is equal to 0.5. This surface is smooth, ground is smooth surface. What are the questions? First, acceleration of 4 kg block, acceleration of 8 kg block, frictional force acting on 4 kg block. Here, two forces are acting on two blocks. On 4 kg block, force acting is 8 Newton. On 8 kg block, force acting is 16 Newton. So here, first how to find the frictional force and direction, how to find the direction of frictional force. So here, first to find the, in these complicated cases, to find the friction, direction of friction, first assume there is no friction between these two blocks. This is 4 kg block, this is 6 kg block. Here force applied 8 kg block, this is force applied on this is 8 Newton, force applied on this is F2 is equal to 16 Newton. So here there is, if there is no friction, this surface is smooth, what happens? Here this is 8 Newton, mass is 4 kg, it has acceleration A1 is equal to 8 by 4, that is 2 meter per second square. For this block, there is no, only 16 Newton is acting in horizontal direction. A2 is equal to 16 by 8, that is 2 meter per second square. Here initially both are at rest. What is relative velocity? U relative is equal to 0. What is relative acceleration? Both accelerations are in forward direction. A relative also A1 minus A2, that is equal to 0. Here there is no tendency of relative motion between these two blocks. So here both are moving with the same acceleration. Here A relative A1 minus A2. Here 8 Newton is applied on 4 kg block. It has acceleration 2 meter per second square. 16 Newton is applied on this 8 kg block. It has acceleration 2 meter per second square. So in this case, friction is 0. No frictional force acting between these two blocks. So both move with common acceleration. What is the common acceleration? A is equal to 2 meter per second square. A1 is equal to 2 meter per second square. A2 is equal to 2 meter per second square. For suppose if this is 4 kg block, here force applied on this is F1 is equal to 8 Newton. This is 8 kg block. Force applied on it is in this direction. F2 is equal to 2 Newton. This surface is smooth. Here mu s is equal to mu k is equal to 0.5. But only here force applied is on 4 kg is same 8 Newton. On 8 kg is 2 Newton. But these forces are in opposite direction. In this case, how to find the direction of frictional force? Here, this 8 Newton, to first, in any case, to find the direction of friction, first assume there is no frictional force between these two blocks. Now, here, this 4 kg block, force on this 4 kg block is 4 kg block. Force is in this direction. F1 is equal to 8 Newton. F1 is equal to 8 Newton. Here, so this acceleration A1 is equal to 8 by 4, 2 meter per second square in this direction. But for this 8 kg block, this is 8 kg block. For this 8 kg block, force is in this direction. F2 is equal to 2 Newton. So this acceleration is A2 is equal to 2 by 8. That means acceleration for this block is in forward direction. Acceleration for this block is in this direction. As a result, there is a relative acceleration. So here with respect to this 8 kg block, 4 kg block is moving in this direction with respect to, because this 4 kg block has 2 meter per second square in vector form. If you take this as a I cap, this is j cap, this is a minus I cap, A1 bar is equal to 2I cap, A2 bar is equal to minus 1 by 4 I cap, because it is in opposite direction. The acceleration of 1 with respect to 2, A12 bar is equal to A1 bar minus A2 bar, A1 bar minus A2 bar. So here A1 bar minus A2 bar. What is A1 bar? 2I cap. Minus of minus plus 1 by 4 I cap. So this is 4 to 8, 9 by 4 I cap. With respect to 8 kg block, 4 kg block has acceleration 9 by 4 along x-axis. So on 4 kg block, friction is acting backward. On 8 kg block, friction is acting in forward direction, because friction is an internal force. So here in this case, for suppose here in this case, what is the acceleration in this case? What is the acceleration of 4 kg block and the acceleration of 8 kg block? We are here now, the problem is changed like this. This is F1 is equal to 8 Newton. F2 is equal to 2 Newton. So already direction of friction is identified. What is the direction of friction on 4 kg block? Here on 4 kg block, F1 is equal to 8 Newton applied force, N1, this is M1G, that is equal to 4 into 10, 40 Newton. So friction is in this direction. What is the maximum value of this friction? F1L is equal to F1L, this 4 kg. F1L is equal to mu s into N1. Mu s is, what is the value of mu s? 0.5. 0.5 into 40, N1. N1 is equal to. So here, how to find this N1? In vertical direction, there is no motion. So N1 is equal to mg in vertical direction. So F1L is equal to 20 Newton. Maximum value of frictional force on 4 kg block is 20 Newton. So here for a 8 kg block, there is no use to find this normal reaction. N2, this N1 is acting downward, M2G is acting downward. So here the frictional force on 4 kg block is along negative x-axis or towards left. Frictional force on second block, 8 kg block, is in 8 kg block in forward direction. This is F. What is this maximum value of friction? That is 20 Newton. Okay, here these are the directions. So here this is 8 kg block. N2 is equal to N1 plus M2G. N1 plus M2G. What is N1? N1 is here, N1 is equal to mg. That is equal to 40 Newton. 4 into 10. That is equal to 40 Newton. 40 plus M2 8 into G 10. This equal to 120 Newton. N2 is equal to 120 Newton. So here the applied force on, but on 8 kg block there is a force F2 is equal to 2 Newton. So in this case, how to find acceleration of 4 kg block, acceleration of 8 kg block, frictional force acting on 4 kg block. So here from this data, here we calculate frictional maximum value of frictional force on 4 kg block. So first, to solve this problem, first assume that both blocks move with common acceleration. So in which direction they can move? Here this is applied force is 8 Newton on 4 kg block, on 8 kg block is 2 Newton. What is the here small diagram here? This is a 4 kg block. This F1 is equal to 8 Newton. This is 8 kg. On this direction of force is F2 is equal to 2 Newton. Frictional force F1, F here F maximum is equal to 20 Newton. F maximum is equal to 20 Newton. So here this 8 Newton is in towards right, 2 Newton is towards left. What is the net force acting on the system? Here this frictional force is an internal force. For this total system, net external force is equal to F net is equal to F1 minus F2. F1 is towards right, F2 is towards left. F1 minus F2. So F1 is 8 Newton. 8 minus 2, 6 Newton. This is the F net. But suppose with this force, what is the acceleration produced in this system? That is known as common acceleration. Common acceleration. A common is equal F net by M total. F net by M total. So what is the common acceleration? F net is 6 by M total is 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 6 by 12. That is equal to 6 by 12. That is equal to half meter per second square. This is the common acceleration. So what is the frictional force required? Here F1 is equal to 8 Newton. So on 8 kg block, frictional force acting, what is the frictional force required to produce half meter per second square? Here we want to find the frictional force required to produce half meter per second square. Here frictional force is in this direction. Applied force is in this direction. F2 is equal to 2 Newton. Here mass of the block is 8 kg. What is the acceleration? Acceleration of the system? A is equal to half meter per second square. So net acceleration is in this direction. Applied force minus 2 Newton. Frictional force minus 2 Newton is equal to 8 into half. So F is equal to 8 into half. 4 plus 2. Here frictional force required for 8 kg block is 6 Newton. But maximum available friction is 20 Newton. So here the frictional force required friction is less than available friction. So both blocks move with common acceleration, that is half meter per second square, and the frictional force acting on 4 kg block is 6 Newton, and also frictional force acting on 8 kg block is 6 Newton. Net frictional force acting on this system is 0. So here only we are considering F1 minus F2 because these two are for this system 8 plus 4 for both blocks. If two blocks are considered as system, the net frictional force acting on the system is 0. 8 Newton is acting towards right, 2 Newton is acting towards left. So resultant force is 6 Newton. So for this resultant force, the acceleration produced in the system is 6 by 12, that is half meter per second square. So for this acceleration, what is the frictional force required to produce this acceleration? Here on 8 kg block, for free body diagram of 8 kg block, F2 is in this direction, frictional force towards right. So here acceleration is towards right. So frictional force minus applied force is equal to MA. Frictional force minus applied force is equal to MA. This is the equation. F minus 2 is equal to 18 dot. So here required friction is 6 Newton. So available friction is 20 Newton.